Dr. Jason Prevost with Integrated Health joining us today. Dr. Prevost, welcome back.
Well, thank you for having me.
We're talking again about those suffering with chronic knee pain, and it's really affecting their day-to-day lives. And they might think that some of the more common forms of treatment are the only option. Is that the case?
So not anymore, Miss Lydia. That used to be the case, but now we're looking at the knee totally different. There's a whole new treatment paradigm for knee pain now, based not so much on surgery and medications and injections. Not that I'm against those things. There's a time for them for sure, but some of these procedures can actually cause bone loss and some other health problems for some patients. So people are looking for something different, and that's what we provide.
Yeah, and so what are those alternative forms of treatment, aside from the injections like you mentioned and things like that?
Right, so essentially the way we look at it is the knee is essentially a hinge, just like a hinge on a door. So every hinge needs to be lined up properly. It needs to have lubrication inside that hinge. And we found that when we start looking at the knee from that perspective, it opens up a whole new way of treating the knee. But it starts with a very thorough evaluation first.
And how do you know someone is a good candidate for this type of treatment you guys offer?
So first, a frustrated person. I like a frustrated person. Someone who's been through the mill and they're looking for something different. If you're having difficulty climbing stairs, getting out of a chair, standing for prolonged periods of time, or even just walking, these are mechanical issues, and these patients do well in our office.
How long does it take for this treatment to show its results?
So our goal in my office is to produce results on day one. If the patient is a candidate, we do a trial treatment, and they should see a change on day one. If not, we shake hands and part as friends.
Wonderful. Integrated Health, Dr. Jason Prevost. And if you are suffering with chronic knee pain and it's really affecting your daily life, as we've talked about, the first 25 callers right now will receive a comprehensive consultation and knee exam for $49. These normally are valued at $249. That number to call is 337-240-7204. Again, the first 25 callers today will receive a special rate for an in-depth consultation and exam. Call the number on your screen, 240-7204.